rainy day?
Umbrella.
Okay, umbrella. Okay, umbrella. Okay. Socks when rainy day? Okay, boots yan anak, boots. Ah, dyan ba yan? Okay, sige, it's okay lang. And then, dress. Okay, go baby. No? Okay. And then,
This one.
this one. Yes. Wow. How about this sleeper? Sleeper. Obo. Oh, yan. How about this cup? You need the cup if sunny day or rainy day?
Hot.
Hot. Okay, sinusuot mo nga pala yan ano pag rainy day. Okay. And how about this one?
Yes, it's hot.
Okay.
It's hot.
Okay, hot ni Ramram yan.
Yay.
Yay! Are you done na?
Yes.
Okay, Ramram is done. And then you put glue at the back and then, ay, anak, konti-konti lang. Ganyan lang ah. Oh, oopsie. Oopsie. Oh, yan, glue. Matas igaganon mo ah. Oh. Okay. Oh, sige, ikaw na. You try. Saan mo yan nilagay kanina? Oh, put on the module. Sige. Okay. How about this one? Oh, go.
Hot.
Hot. Okay, finish mo yan. Ay, not at the back, anak, at the back. It's okay. Opo. Oh, oh, here. You put the cup here, di ba? Oh, kaya doon mo ididikit. Good job. Ramram is busy. Okay. Maalam ko na din pala mag-blue, anak. Galing naman ng baby na yan, oh. Okay, you need help? Oh. Here. Oh. Put here. Ay, sorry. Oh. Good job. Oh, this one. Oh. Okay, and then the last one. This. Oh. Now here. Here, baby. Okay. Sabi mo, teacher, I'm done again. Okay. Galing naman. Good job.